Hello guys, we are back in Takabaka. So, we are playing Takabaka. So, where should we go? Oh, to this brand new home. Yeah. Ooh, I like this. Looks new. Ooh, what is that? Never mind. Bro, it also has a new plushie. Now we're back in our new home. Our new brand new day. But you left. Where is the other girl? Was holding my iPad. Yeah. Where are you, Miss Girl? Are you missing, girl? Oh God. Oh God, she is missing. And the purchase and all that. How? I brought some snacks so she will not be hungry in this new hotel. Now where's the missing girl? Oh. Hey missing girl, where are you? Who's that? Oh my God, guys. You wanna see some? Jeez, cute. Sorry. I'm sorry, I'm somewhere. I'm so sorry. Oh my God. Now the missing girl is gone. She's missing now. OMG, she's missing. Look, she's missing. Oh my God, I was so sorry. She was right there holding my iPad. Give me back my iPad. Ooh, there's delicious food. I don't want to. Oh, I have a picture. Never mind. Ooh, I'll just put it right there. Whoa! Yum. Bro, I never put it there. I'll just. No. God, let's just put this right there first. Oh my God, we need some space. Bro. What in the world? Oh, right there, frozen gummy bears. So, can fit there. So, I'll just do that. I'm eating it. Oh my God! I did not realize it. Oh my God, I was going to eat it. And I'm done eating everything. Now I'll just throw that. I'm not putting it back. Oh, and really have them short. Maybe can we go back to your spot? Close it. Okay, let's just put our iPad there. Hello, girls. Let's go. I'm getting you, girls. Oh, am I flying in the swimming pool? Just put your iPad down to your chair. Put the iPad in your chair. Don't hold it anymore. I hope you have another. Oh, I'll get it later. I have no hair. And let's say that. Oh, whatever. It's in my ego book. And last. Oh, can still. Excuse me. You can fit inside. It's raining in Philippines. It keep on raining in Philippines. Sorry guys. Oh, I live in Philippines, so yeah, you know, right? Oh, I know. It's already now. I mean morning in Philippines. I don't need to sleep. Some of my friends are in Philippines in my school. And that's why I can't get my friends and me myself. Okay. Bro, I need to add more chairs from my friends. And my ego oh, mama. The princess, right? In the middle. Oh, lucky. Their smile looks so different. So I'll just sit with the evil girl. Oh my god, why? So this is all we have. And if you enjoyed this video, cause you're giving us a like and subscribe. And if you ring the bell, so you will not miss the video. And bye.